Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to get a filter on your iPhone's camera. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the way to activate or the way to get the filter for your camera, it's so simple. You need to open the camera first. If you cannot find on your home screen, slide your screen into the left side and just type a camera on the search button on your app library, and after you found it, you just need to click it to open your camera. And whenever you open it, to get the filters for your camera, it's so simple. You just need to take a look on this upper or the top side here, and then you just need to click the symbols, and there will be pop up here several options that you can use. This one is gonna be like a flashlight, this for the live photo, the ratio, timer, and this is for the filters. So to get the filters, go click this button, and there will be a lot of filters that you can use. So from the vivid, warm, cool, and so on and so on. So you just need to take the filters that you want to apply into your camera, and whenever you got one, you can just go click this symbol to start capturing the photo. And here is the result. To bring the filters back to original, go click the filters button again and slide this filter section into the original one, and you're already back into the original version for your camera. So that is the way how to get the filter for your camera on iPhone XR. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comments, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.